How to fix screen color black and white on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on accessibility. After you click on accessibility, click on VN enhancement. After click on VN enhancement, click on if you want to fix black and white screen, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on color correction and turn off color correction button. After turn off color correction button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.